Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 16. In this lesson, it's about being able to subtract 9 from teen numbers. So we're subtracting 9 from teen numbers. So, let's look at this. There is 13 minus 9 twice. I'm going to show you guys how to use two strategies to be able to solve the same number sentence. So you can draw, or you can do that number bond strategy that I showed you. So I will show you both, or the take from 10 strategy. That's another way you can say the number bond strategy. So first thing I'm going to show you is the picture. So what we're going to do is that for our picture, you know that you draw the bigger number, which you know is 13. So I'm going to draw 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Box in 10. Then we're going to take away 9 from that 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle what's left. 3, 4. So you drew the bigger number, which was 13. Boxed in the 10. So there was 10 in the box, 3 outside the box. Then we took away 9. Well, we're taking 9 away from what's inside of the box. Because what's outside the box was only 3. That wouldn't be enough to take away. So we just used what was inside the box. We took away that 9. There was 1 left inside the box, 3 left outside the box. So we added the 1 inside the box plus the 3 outside the box to make 4. So that was our answer. Now we're going to do the number bond strategy. What we're going to do is that we're going to break apart 13 the 10 way. We know that 13 is 10, 3. Okay, so we're going to draw 10, 3. Now remember, I draw my 10 closest to the number I'm going to take away. You don't have to do this. This is just what I do, just to be able for it just to be a little closer, to better see them closer together. So now I wrote my number bond, which is 10, 3. Now I'm going to take away 9 from 10. Well, I know if I take away 9 from 10, there's going to be 1 left. So now 3 and 1 is what's left over once I've taken away 9 from 10. So I'm going to circle 3 and that 1. So 3 and 1, 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we know that 13 minus 9 equals 4. So those are the two strategies that you can use to solve the same types of number sentences. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.